To create an e-commerce site with Framer and Stripe, follow these steps. Create your Framer site. Start by signing up at framer.com and choose a template or build from scratch. Add product sections using CMS collections to manage inventory dynamically. Add products. In the Framer CMS, create a collection and add fields like name, price, image, and description. Design your product pages using CMS bindings to auto-populate data. Connect Stripe. Go to Settings, Commerce, then click Connect with Stripe. Log in or create a Stripe account. Once connected, Stripe will handle payments, taxes, and payouts. Enable checkout. In each product component, add a buy button and link it to your CMS collection. Set the price and product ID to match your Stripe data. Customize checkout. Stripe checkout is secure and mobile optimized. You can customize branding directly in Stripe's dashboard under Settings, Branding. Test before launching. Use Stripe's test mode to simulate purchases. Once everything works, switch to live mode in both Framer and Stripe.